Gmail templates, also known as canned responses, are pre-written email content that can save you significant time when sending repetitive messages. First, you need to enable templates in your Gmail settings. Navigate to Settings, then Advanced, and turn on the Templates feature. To create a template, compose a new email with your desired content. Then click the three dots menu, select Templates, and choose Save Draft as Template. Here's an example of a professional template for business hours. Notice how it includes placeholders like customer name that can be easily customized for each recipient. To use a saved template, start composing a new email. Click the three dots menu, select Templates, and choose your desired template. The content will automatically populate your email. Here are key best practices for Gmail templates. Use clear, descriptive names for easy identification. Include placeholders and brackets for personalization. Keep templates concise but comprehensive. Remember, you can store up to 50 templates per account. Gmail templates are a powerful productivity tool that can reduce your email response time by up to 80%. Start by creating templates for your most common email types and watch your efficiency soar. A professional email signature is essential for business communication and personal branding. Gmail makes it easy to create and customize signatures that represent you professionally. To create your signature, open Gmail and click the gear icon, then select Settings. Navigate to the General tab and scroll down to find the Signature section. Every professional signature should include key elements. Start with your full name and job title, followed by your company name and primary contact information. Here's an example of a well-designed professional signature. Notice how it includes all essential information while maintaining a clean, organized layout with consistent formatting. Mobile optimization is crucial since most emails are now read on mobile devices. Keep your signature under 6 lines and use web-safe fonts to ensure consistent display across all devices. Font choice matters for signature consistency. Web-safe fonts ensure your signature displays correctly across different email clients and devices, while custom fonts may not render properly for all recipients. Gmail allows you to create multiple signatures for different purposes. You might have one signature for formal business communications and another for casual internal emails. Professional signatures often include visual branding elements. Real estate agents, for example, commonly use headshots and branded designs to build personal connections with clients. Follow these best practices for an effective Gmail signature. Keep it concise and professional, ensure mobile compatibility, use consistent branding, and include only essential contact information. A well-crafted signature enhances your professional image with every email you send.